The Škoda factory, a city within an automaker. The Škoda factory in Mlada Boleslav, Czech Republic, isn't just a production plant. It's a self-contained industrial city larger than Monaco. Inside its gates, 10,000 employees, backed by a complex network of roads, data centers, and even a fire station, assemble 6 different car models. This isn't merely assembly. Škoda designs, machines, and produces much of its own tooling on site, making it far more than a simple assembly line. A deliberate structure, the factory's layout reinforces a culture of transparency. There are no private offices. Everyone works in open spaces. The facility operates around the clock, with 3 8-hour shifts each day, each aiming to produce 440 vehicles. The process is remarkably efficient. A completed car moves through the final assembly hall in 1-minute intervals. Precision and automation, the body of each car spends 11 hours in the paint shop before arriving at the final assembly line. Here, workers temporarily remove the doors to gain better access, reattaching them later in the process. The majority of assembly is done by hand, yet the plant leverages automation where precision is crucial. Robotic welders create the chassis with 85% efficiency, and electric torque wrenches record every nut tightened, allowing Škoda to track potential quality issues with pinpoint accuracy. Human-centric efficiency, while technology plays a vital role, Škoda prioritizes worker well-being. The average employee age is 38, and wages are the highest in the Czech Republic for manual labor. The factory features over 2,000 vending machines, 200 small shops, and multiple breakout rooms to maximize rest time. Even an ancient local cemetery is integrated into the factory grounds, requiring visitor passes for access. A symbiotic relationship, the Škoda plant and the city of Mlada Boleslav are deeply intertwined. High school students complete work experience here, and employees can lease a Škoda at age 18. The factory even owns the local university, ensuring a steady pipeline of skilled labor. Every car produced receives a birth certificate listing the customer's specified configuration, streamlining production with just-in-time delivery of parts. The wetting and final testing, the most critical step in assembly, is referred to as the wetting, the point where the chassis and powertrain unite. Once complete, every Škoda undergoes a final test on a short, in-house track. Any vehicle with rattles or squeaks is flagged for correction, though pass rates are near 100%. Škoda's integrated approach, combining automation with worker welfare and local community ties, creates a highly efficient and productive environment. The factory isn't just building cars, it's sustaining a city and a culture of automotive excellence.